it might be a little tough to make out on video, but the quiet and normal exhaust mode is very similar, and the sport and Baja mode is very similar. But I will say that you can hear a difference both inside and outside of the cabin when you go from quiet mode to sport or from quiet to Baja. You can hear that valve open up and it becomes much deeper, and under load or when revving, it has a much deeper tone and it has more burbles to it and a more radical sound, where the quiet and the normal mode has more of a buzzing, reserved sound. So the vehicle does only have about 100 miles on it, so I'll be sure to do a follow-up video once the exhaust is fully broken in, and we'll see if it gets any louder or any deeper.